everyone! We're going to be making Nan Chicken Rice for dinner tonight. So I got this spice case from our local Asian market, and it's in English, so I can read the instructions and actually know exactly what to use instead of trying to guess half the time. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my chicken, and it's got like bones in it, so I'm going to debone it. Add a little bit of salt. I'm going to take my green beans, and I've already washed these, and I've taken the heads off of both sides, and I'm just going to cut them in half. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to stir fry them. Garlic. So my rice are now washed, and I basically wash it 3 times. One cup. You take the mixture and you pour it inside. Place the chicken on top of the rice mixture. It looks like this. Transfer this onto the oven and you turn it on. Once your chicken rice starts to boil, you can go ahead and reduce the heat, and then you want to let it cook for about 15 minutes. After your timer is up, then you basically turn off the heat and let it simmer for about 6 minutes. On the other side of the stove, I have my chicken soup boiling, and at first I wanted to make chicken soup, but now I kind of changed my mind. I don't really want soup anymore, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my green beans and pour them inside. You just wanted to basically go in there for a few seconds. Here is our chicken rice. Whoa. Let me do a little zoom for you. All that glistening, fatty goodness. The chicken is done. It's so juicy. Lastly, to finish it off, we are going to make some stir-fry string beans. So in your pan, put a little bit of oil. You throw your garlic in there. moment of truth. First bite. Do you know what you're eating?
Yeah.
Huh?
Pickle?
No, this dish.
I know. 海南鸡饭. I'm trying now.
Good?
Really crunchy.
Okay, good.
It's really good.
Does it taste like jifa?
Really good.
Chicken rice. Okay, now try the chicken.
It has a flavor.
Is it good? How many thumbs up do I get?
10.
10 thumbs? You only got 2, dude.
Oh. Too damn.
We hope you like our Hainan chicken rice recipe. Follow us on our blog for other posts about food, travel, things that we learn, etc. See you next time!